Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to open a Facebook account right from your mobile phone. Whether you're new to Facebook or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download the Facebook app. First things first, you'll need the Facebook app. Open your App Store if you're on an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. In the search bar, type Facebook and look for the official app by Facebook. By Facebook Inc. Tap install and wait for the app to download and install on your phone. Step 2. Open the Facebook app. Once the app is installed, open it by tapping the Facebook icon on your home screen. Step 3. Start the sign up process. Now you'll see the welcome screen. Tap on Create New Facebook Account to start the sign up process. Step 4. Enter your information. You'll need to enter your personal details. Start by typing your first and last name, then tap Next. Step 5. Enter your mobile number or email. Next, you can choose to sign up with your mobile number or email address. Enter your choice and tap Next. Facebook will send you a verification code, so keep an eye out for a text message or email. Step 6. Create a password. Now create a strong password that you can remember. Make sure it's something unique to keep your account secure. Once you've entered your password, tap Next. Step 7. Enter your birthday and gender. Enter your date of birth and select your gender. These details help Facebook connect you with friends and provide relevant content. After entering this information, tap Next. Step 8. Verify your account. Facebook will send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter the code you received to verify your account. Step 9. Set up your profile. Finally, you can upload a profile picture and find friends by allowing Facebook to access your contacts. This step is optional and you can skip it if you want. Step 10. Complete the setup. And that's it. You've successfully created your Facebook account. Now you can start connecting with friends, sharing updates, and exploring everything Facebook has to offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.